Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike with Fowler Family Farm, and today we are going to do a quick update video on the farm. Basically a farm update. We'll show you the baby goats, how well they're doing. We've separated our cows again. I've got the two youngest cows over here with the goats, and then I got the mama by herself so she can kind of relax. No more nursing on her right now because she should have a baby here in about 3 months. I've probably left this last heifer on her too long as it is. So she'll be by herself over here. She'll still be able to see the other ones. They'll be okay. Let's feed her real quick, and then we'll go feed the goats and check out the baby goats. I like to feed my cows in different spots in the pasture. I don't like to feed them in the same spot every time. Kind of gets them used to going to the bucket. Wherever I take the bucket, they go. That's kind of how I trained this one. It's easy once they start eating the protein cubes. It's like ice cream, so they're going to follow it no matter what. But it's a good way to kind of put the manure all over the pasture. All right, you ready, Gwen? Ready, girl? Oh. You're not very good today. There. All right. Okay, so before we feed the goats, I want to show you this. This is one of the issues that I've got with what I've done. These are 6x6 squares. Sorry, the goats are knocking me down. And you can see they get their heads in there and get stuck. So we do have to come out and get them. Probably once a day at least, we come out and get them. And this is Bottle Cap. And this is her first baby from 2 years ago. That's Sprite. And these are the only two I have to get unstuck. It's always these two. Hey, don't you knock me over. So that's Ronnie. You guys are used to him. We put Dixie over here, so that's one of the changes we've done. Keep her from nursing on the mama over there. All right, let's get these two unstuck, and then we'll feed the goats and look at the babies. It's gonna hurt my hand. All right, there's one. See if I can get this one. Come on, honey. Got back up, buddy. This one's a little harder because she always goes in real low. Oh. Oh, stop. There's Chip. What do you think, Chip? Ready to eat? I think Ronnie's ready. They've been fed a little bit today already. When Tanya got this little heifer over here, she had to feed them to get her to follow her. Well, I forgot to hit record when I put the feet in the bucket. Gotcha! Okay, I want to see if I can get Ronnie and Dixie to separate from the goats with the protein cubes. Ronnie! Come on. Go girl, Dixie. Go get it. Yeah, usually I have to do the protein cubes first, and the goats can't really eat it because it's so big. And that keeps Ronnie where he's at, eating the protein cubes, and then I'll take the goat feed off and the goats will follow me. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all, since putting the fence on, this is terrible hay, by the way. Look at all this. The last few bales I got, I don't like this. Way too many sticks. Anyway, I walked over to feed the other goats and this one came over and got stuck. Leave her in there for a minute. I'm gonna show y'all this. So it's the waste is not nearly as bad as that over there was without the fence. So I like this. This is a good thing. I don't like the hay. That hay is terrible. Sorry, I just ran up to the barn, so I'm kind of out of breath. ran up there and ran back. But that's the update on this. It's way better with the fence than without. You can tell though, this has already came down some. It was up here, so I'll have to, when I weld that on, it'll be more permanent. So it's just sliding down a lot right now. All right, so that's one of the updates I wanted to show y'all. This is working out pretty good. It's still waste. I mean, it's goats. They're still gonna waste hay for sure. But it's way better than that. The babies like to stay over here and just eat. They don't constantly stay with their mamas anymore. That's York. That's one of the girls. These two are hungry. They want their mama to stop so they can eat. That's Crybaby right there. I don't know if I've ever mentioned her name. That's Crybaby and her two babies. And the reason her name's Crybaby is because the day we picked her up and brought her home, she cried for about 2 days straight, not stop crying. She missed her mama. We built a like a little play gym for them over here. One of them's on it right now, one of the babies. It's cute when they're playing. I just never have the camera out when they're actually playing on it. Oh, there. Oh. There he goes. Let's see if they'll play. They play King of the Hill. This is 4-sided. 3 sides are ramps. And 1 side's steps. They slide down this one. Let me back out a little bit here. They slide down that one. The other 2 are slatted ramps. And then the step. Excuse me, and then the steps. Gave some feed to the chickens too, so they're over here eating. This is York. This is the cute one. I think she's just adorable. Okay, let's go check out that tree that the beaver's been chewing on. There'll be another update I want to show you real quick, and also got a picture from the game cam of the beaver showing up. Okay. If you saw my last video about about the beaver. I put a before and after picture at the very front. That was my thumbnail, and that was a 6-day difference in the two pictures. This is about 5 days later, and they've done a lot more damage. I do have one picture of a beaver showing up. He was actually right here where I'm looking at. I'll put that in this video as well. And I'm going to grab the cards now and see if I got anything else. But you can see there, either him or one or both of them are going to town on it. That's fresh. So that's just a quick update on the beaver situation. Alright guys, I want to wrap this video up. It's probably about 20 minutes before it gets dark, before the sun goes down. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Go down and hit that like button and subscribe for me if you would. I do want to say thank you to Rustic Woodworking family for sending, I don't know, I think Friday night after his live, I think ended up with like 32 additional subscribers. So that was pretty cool. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for coming over. Hopefully you guys will enjoy our content like you do his. I don't go live yet. I don't have enough subscribers. I think they make you wait until 1,000. There's probably a way. I just don't know how yet. I don't know when we'll start doing that. Anyway, I hope you guys stick around. Hope you guys like the video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about our channel. We'll see you guys on the next video.